Hello, welcome to my channel Cooking with Amelia. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken strips with honey mustard dip. This is a perfect meal to make if you want to cook something up quickly. So, let's get cooking. First, cut 2 pounds of chicken breasts into 1-inch thick strips, like this. Then in a bowl, add 2 or 3 pressed garlic cloves, 1/3 of a cup of Dijon mustard, and 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise. Whisk together until combined. And lightly season with salt and pepper. And place into the marinade. Mix well. Roll into 2 cups of breadcrumbs. And cook at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 17 minutes. Now for the 3-ingredient dip. In a bowl, add 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise, 1/3 of a cup of Dijon mustard, and finally 1/3 of a cup of honey. Mix together until combined. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video.